How to remove red wine stains from leather. Red wine stains on leather surfaces can be a source of distress, but fret not. In this comprehensive guide, we will address the common concerns of how to remove red wine stains from leather in various settings, including leather couches, furniture, suede shoes, and luxury items like Louis Vuitton. We will also explore the effectiveness of Dawn for stain removal and provide additional cleaning tips and advice to ensure your leather items stay in impeccable condition. How to remove red wine stains from leather couch. If you're facing the issue of how to remove red stain from a leather couch, you'll find the following detailed steps quite helpful. Start by blotting the stain immediately with a clean, dry cloth to absorb excess wine. This initial action is crucial because it prevents the wine from penetrating deeper into the leather. Create a cleaning solution by mixing equal parts of water and white vinegar. Gently rub the stain with a soft cloth. The acidity of the vinegar helps break down the wine's tannins. After cleaning, rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth, and pat dry with a towel. This ensures that any remnants of the cleaning solution are removed. If necessary, repeat the process to ensure complete stain removal. Red wine stains can be stubborn, and persistence may be needed. Finally, finish the cleaning process by applying a leather conditioner. Not only does this maintain the couch's luster, but it also offers a protective layer, reducing the risk of future stains. How to remove red wine from furniture. For those concerned about how to remove red wine from furniture, the following guidelines provide a comprehensive approach. Begin by blotting the stain with a paper towel or cloth to absorb as much wine as possible. The idea is to prevent the wine from spreading across the leather. Create a paste by mixing baking soda and water, and apply it to the stain. Baking soda is a natural absorbent that can help lift the wine stain. Allow the paste to sit for a few hours, allowing it to absorb the wine stain. This patience is key in allowing the stain to be drawn out of the leather. Gently wipe away the paste with a damp cloth, making sure not to scrub, as excessive friction can damage the leather's surface. Finally, finish the cleaning process by applying a leather conditioner to keep your furniture in top condition. Regular conditioning helps maintain the leather's softness and resilience. How to get red wine out of suede shoes. Act quickly by removing the shoes and blotting the stain with a paper towel. This prevents the wine from seeping deeper into the suede fibers. Avoid rubbing the stain, as this can push the wine deeper into the suede and make the stain more difficult to remove. To absorb the remaining wine, sprinkle cornstarch on the stained area and leave it for a few hours. Cornstarch acts as a natural absorbent, drawing out the wine. Gently brush the suede with a suede brush, working in one direction. This helps lift any remaining particles and fluff up the suede. If necessary, repeat the process, and protect your suede shoes with a suede spray to prevent future stains. Suede is known for its susceptibility to staining, so preventive measures are essential to keep them looking pristine.